Hello everybody, we're actually doing a video in nature, and I'm going to show you and tell you how to survive in nature. So, as a wolf, you are very strong, but you sometimes need practice. So, my grandparents thinks one time I ran like a wolf, and they thought I was a devil. Like a demon, so they put holy water on me, and I'm like, really? So I'm doing it out here where they can't see me. So I'm just going to tell you and show you how to survive in nature. So as a wolf, you're very strong, and you can defeat a lot of things. But be very cautious of your surroundings. Just in case if anything tries to get you. If anything tries to get you, yeah, just be cautious. So, and in nature, you need to first learn in your house how to run until you go out into nature, because sometimes the grass is a little hard, but I like that. So yeah. Okay, so the next thing is how to try to eat something. Since you're out in nature, it's a little bit more, you could say, harder, because there's a lot of room out here and they can escape anywhere. No. No. My dog. Okay. So in nature, you need to run normally. Just don't go too quick, because you're first learning. Anyways, how to hunt. So let's say there's a prey right here. Okay, so we need to stay back, go around it, and eat it. Okay? So that's what I'm saying. Okay? And then whenever you're a lone wolf, you do the thing I just did. Whenever you're a pack, it's way more easier. So, sorry, Alex, really tired. Whew, okay. So then, you might get some bugs on you. And that's completely fine if they bother you a lot. Just I don't know what I'm saying. So just like shake it off, like, okay, and I'll be okay. So do not just run off on your own. That's very dangerous. You can only run off on your own when you're allowed to, okay? Not as a pup, though. I'm not a pup. I used to be, though. But yeah, it's very windy out here. Just love nature, okay? Don't be like, oh, I hate nature, and and you're a wolf. Come on, wolves love nature. And yes, sorry, I got an itch. And you might get used to how it hurts with the grass. Yes, it sometimes does hurt, but it doesn't hurt that bad. So yeah, just relax, and I'm gonna go run for I don't know, a few seconds. So I don't want my grandparents seeing me, because last time I ran like a wolf, they thought I was like a demon / devil, so they sprayed a lot of holy water on me. Anyways, I'll make another video in nature of how to survive like a wolf. See you later. Bye.